Good morning, students. This is again continuation of the yesterday's video. 18th problem onwards. A rectangular sheet of tin 45 centimeter by 24 centimeter. By means length and breadth. Meaning of 45 centimeters by 24 centimeter means length by breadth. Is to be made into a box without a top by cutting off square from each corner and following up the flops. Following means yesterday we said we are removing this and folding like this. So what should be the side of a square to be cut off so that volume of the box is maximum? That means some square corners you are just cut off from this sheet of four corners. Then it will come like a box. It will come like a box. So what is the volume of that box means? Yesterday we consider a square sheet. Now today we consider a rectangular sheet. But if a square sheet or rectangular sheet, but corner places we are removing the square pieces with the side x centimeter. Square pieces with the side x centimeters. So students, dimension of rectangular sheet is 45 centimeter into 24 centimeter. Let x centimeter be the side of a square piece, from corner of the rectangular sheet. Now, length means, you know guys, this is completely 45 centimeters means I removed x centimeters here, totally 2x centimeters from this side. That means out of 45, 2x centimeters I removed here. And here, 24 minus 2x. Now, height means obviously, if you fold it upside, this comes as a height. So, length is equal to 45 minus 2x. What means length means? Length of the box. That is the length of the box. Length of the box is equal to 45 minus 2x. Breadth of the box is 24 minus 2x. Height of the box is equal to x centimeter. Finally, volume of the box is equal to length into breadth into height. 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. Now just note down this part and we will continue the problem. Students, continuation. Now our volume L into B into H means consider as a V of x function. 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. Just multiply it 24x minus 2x square. Now f of x into g of x. I made it to f of x into g of x. Go for the first derivative of the function. F of x into d by dx of g of x means 24 minus 4x plus g of x into f dash of x means minus 2 will come. I just simplified it. Finally I got 12x square minus 276x plus 1080. Okay, this is the resultant of first derivative of the function. First derivative is equal to 0 means by calculating take 12 common x square minus 23 plus 90 will come. Take the factors x minus 18 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 18 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. X equal to 18 or x equal to 5. We got the two critical points. Why I consider x 5 only? 18 means, okay, come to the first one. 45 minus 36, 9. But 24 minus 36, minus 12. Do you have any negative length in object? There is no negative value for length. So that's why 18 is a not suitable answer for this one. X equal to 5. That's why just take the x equal to 5. V double dash of x equal to 24x minus 276. By means we got the negative value. The double derivative test is negative means less than 0. Less than 0 thus the volume of the box is maximum at x equal to 5 centimeter. X equal to 5 centimeter. This is the solution for 18. Students, 19.1. Show that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. Maximum area. Student, suppose if you read this equation, there is no any data, not given anything to you. So what we have to do means a rectangle inscribed in a given fixed circle. Fixed circle means take one circle with radius r. Just inscribe one rectangle is there. Two diagonals, definitely those two diagonals will pass through the center of the circle. So length consider as x, breadth consider as a y. In this diagram, in triangle ABC, that means ABC. Actually, this is hypotenuse r plus r 2r. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. X square plus y square is equal to 2r whole square. Y square is equal to 4r square minus x square. Clear? That means x square equal to y square. Sorry, x square plus y square equal to 2r square. Y square is equal to 4r square minus x square. Area of the rectangle formula means what? Because we have to find the area. Whether it is square or not, we will see. So, first area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Come here. Just here only take the general number. A is equal to xy means squaring on both sides means a of x is considered as x square y square. X square y square. Actually, a of x will be right here. A of x is here. This is a square. A square. Area square is equal to x square plus y square. Squaring on both sides. That means the function, whatever you are getting the function in terms of x, at that time you write the a of x. A of x. Okay, clear. Why I consider squaring on both sides means for easy simplification. If square roots are there, while simplifying we are facing a difficulty in that. So a of x is equal to x square into 4r square minus x square, and go for the derivative a dash of x. X square into, you know it, how? This is f of x into g of x. F of x into g of x. Calculate. You got the 2x into 4r square minus 2x square. A dash of x equal to 0 means 2x into 4r square minus 2x square equal to 0. Why that? 2x equal to 0 means x equal to 0 will come now. Over 2x square equal to 4r. X square equal to r square, x equal to root r. X equal to 0 means length is 0. Na? That is meaningless. So x is equal to root 2r. Okay. Then take the double derivative of the function. You will get the 8r square minus 12x square. So a double dash of root 2r means we will get the minus 16r square. So less than 0, that means area is maximum. Whether it is square or not, that means x is equal to at root 2 comma, this is the area is maximum. Area is maximum, at that place it is a square. So x equal to root 2r means y square is equal to, substitute here. X square means root 2r means 2r square. 4r square means 2r square. X square value is 2r square, y square value, both x and y values are, both are same. If a length is equal to breadth means then it becomes a square. Length is equal to breadth means it becomes a square. First have to take the rectangle concept and everything calculate. Whether the where it is maximum, that means maximum area at that time the rectangle becomes a square. Whether it is correct or wrong means you have to check it. X value root 2r means x square value is 2r square. Substitute y square also 2r square. X is equal to y means obviously at the maximum area, rectangle maximum area of a area of a rectangle maximum in a circle is becomes a square. This is clear for that. Note down. Now first this part and complete it, then take the conclusion. Students, 28, show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and the maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. Height is equal to diameter of the base. Students, take one right sir, cylinder. Cylinder. So cylinder is complete upside and downside. We have to consider it. So let R be the base radius and H be the height of the cylinder. This is the H and this is the base radius. S is equal to total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area of a cylinder. Downside pi r square, upside pi r square, curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Totally 2 pi r square into 2 pi r h. Then make h as a subject. H as a subject means s minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r. And volume of the cylinder V is equal to pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder V is equal to pi r square h. V is equal to pi r square into h value, put it here. S minus 2 pi square by 2 pi. Pi cancel, 1 r will cancel. So finally r is multiplied to numerator means SR minus 2 pi r cube by 2 will come. Take the derivative for this. Take the V dash of r. So V dash of r means, here only you can write it as V of r. V of r. V dash of r means take half constant s into r derivative 1, 2 pi into r derivative 3 pi square 6 pi square. Now V dash of r is equal to 0 means 1 by 2 s minus 6 pi square equal to 0. S minus 6 pi square is equal to 0 because 1 by 2 transpose to left side 0. Student, what is s here? 2 pi r square plus 2 substitute here. By substituting, what do you get now? 2 pi r h minus 4 pi r square equal to 0. 2 pi r h is equal to 4 pi r square. By cancel that down, 2 times 5 will cancel. R cancel, R will come. Finally, h is equal to 2r. Height of the cylinder is equal to diameter of the base. Actually, diameter of the base is 2r. So then, result. But we didn't calculate the whether it is maximum or minimum. Just calculate the h value now. Continuation is there. Just note down this. I will continue the later. So see the continuation, guys. V double dash of r is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 minus 12 pi r is equal to minus 6 pi r. V double dash of r is equal to minus 6 pi into r value is h by 2 now. Ry equal to h by 2, then minus 3 pi by h. Whatever it is there, minus 3, that means negative. Negative means maximum. Thus the volume of cylinder is maximum r is equal to h by 2 or h is equal to 2r. Height of the cylinder is equal to diameter of the base. Height of the cylinder which is equal to diameter of the base. We shown that one. Okay, clear? Students, next one, Anna. Of all the closed cylindrical cans, this one cans, cylindrical cans of a given volume of 100 cubic centimeter, that means the given volume of a can, find the dimension of the can which has the maximum surface area. That means given volume. So what I am doing here, let R and H be the radius and the height of the cylinder respectively. Volume of cylinder is equal to V is equal to pi r square H. Volume already mentioned it, 100. 100 is equal to pi r square H means H is equal to 100 by pi r square. Come to it. Surface area, because the maximum of surface area we have to find it. Surface area of the cylinder S is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r H. In the place of H, substitute that value 100 by pi r square. By calculating, you will get this answer. Okay. Then S dash of r equal to 0 means 4 pi r minus 200 by r square equal to 0. By calculating r is equal to 50 by pi, whole power 1 by 3. Up to now we calculated r value now. Again we have to calculate double derivative of the function also. Double derivative of the function also. First note down this part. Students, after getting the value of r cube or r value, what you have to do means come here. Take the s double dash of r. 4 pi into 1 minus 200 by r square means again go for the r power minus 2 derivative. Minus 2 into r power minus 3 will come. That means previously already minus is there. Minus into minus plus will come. So plus 2 now, sorry. Plus 2. Plus 2 by 400. 400 this is. 400 means this come 8. 8 means it is the 4 pi. Minus 4 pi. Minus 4 pi. S double dash of r is less than 0. Thus, the surface area of a cylinder is maximum r is equal to 50 pi whole power 1 by 3. And h is equal to, already we made subject, h subject, 100 pi into r square. R value is 50 pi whole power 1 by 3. Whole square means 2 pi by 3. If you want means you can simplify or keep like that. R value is 50 pi whole power 1 by 3. H value is 100 by pi. 50 pi whole power 2 by 3. So this is the solution for that one. Students, next 22nd. A wire of length 28 meters. That means complete wire is 28 meters long is there. We cut it into two pieces, not equal pieces, two pieces. One piece made into square, one piece made into circle. Clear, Nana? Made into circle means we are making like this, or making framing with that. This perimeter we have to say, perimeter. So what I am doing is that 28 meters length of wire I made into two pieces. One is x means obviously, second one is 28 minus x. X meters length of y made into a square. Perimeter of square is x meter. That is 4 into side is equal to x. Side is equal to x by m meter. Let 28 minus x meters length of y made into a circle. Circle means circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 28 minus x. R is equal to 28 minus x by 2 pi. Now this is the radius and this is the side. And what is asking? Sum of areas. He said na square pieces and combine the area of the square. It means square and combine means sum. Sum of area is equal to area of a square plus area of a circle. Area of a square formula is side square. Area of a circle is pi into radius square. Radius square. That is x by whole square plus pi into 28 minus x by 2 pi whole square. I simplified a of x is equal to x square by 16 plus 28 minus x whole square by 4 pi. Okay, again first derivative and double derivative is there. Note down first. Okay, student, continue that one. Take the a dash of x, 2x by 16 plus 2 into 28 minus x by 4 by 2 minus 1. Take the first derivative, that is x by 8 minus 2 into 28 minus x by 4 pi. A dash of x equal to 0 means x by 8 minus 2 into 28 minus by 4 pi equal to 0. Simplify it like this. Finally, we get the x is equal to 112 by pi plus 4. 112 by pi plus 4. Now, what you do is take the double derivative. In the double derivative, you will get this one. Finally, we get the positive value. Positive value means double derivative of the function which is greater than 0. Thus, the combined area is minimum at x equal to 112 by pi plus 4. 112 by pi plus 4. So, this is the resultant of 22 question. Okay, note down, and we will continue tomorrow. We are going to complete all the problems. Remaining 7 on there. Tomorrow I will complete the remaining problems. Okay, thank you.